Hello, my name is Becky and I've been attending yoga classes now for 12 weeks and I believe it's given me a lot of relief from my migraines. I've been a long-term migraine sufferer. I've got a lot of relief in my back. It's helped me relax and I recommend it to anybody. Take it away, Bron.
Hi, I'm Bronwyn. I've also been coming for 12 weeks. I find my yoga class helps me relax and stay focused. It helps me with my balance and also with my back and any stress. I find I can just leave it here and the rest of the week is really great. Thank you.
Relaxation, just getting back to myself, just being calm, learning to be calm and forget all my worries.
And for you?
I think it's probably the same, just the me time, the downtime to centre back and have myself back rather than sharing it with grandchildren and husbands and everybody else that wants a piece. It's nice just to have me.
Absolutely.
You?
Definitely. Anybody that would like to come along, it's very worthwhile.